teachers, and parents. We are about to start Lollipop Preschool's Prep Virtual Assembly. Let us welcome Miss Nell and Miss Jen, the preparatory teachers, as they open the assembly.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and students. Today is a special day for the prep children because they will have their special assembly. In this video, you will see the things that we have accomplished for the past 5 weeks. There are lots of fun and various activities that the children had been doing during their online class. One of these was learning the character quality attentiveness.
They will also have some performances related to our theme for the months of July and August, This Is Me. The children will also render a pianica ensemble entitled Polish Folk Song. Undoubtedly, nothing can stop our students from learning and exploring, even during this time. Enjoy!
Thank you, Miss Nell and Miss Jen. Before we begin our program, let us bow our heads for an opening prayer to be led by Tiffany.
Dear God, thank you for this day. Please be with us and to help us to perform well during our assembly. We pray that you always keep us safe and healthy. Thank you, God, for everything. Amen.
Thank you, Tiffany. Please stand up and join us as we sing the national anthem Indonesian Raya, led by Sophia. Thank you, Sophia. Please remain standing as Raynor leads us in rendering the Pancasila.
Pancasila. 1. Ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. 2. Kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab. 3. Persatuan Indonesia. 4. Kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam pemusyawaratan perwakilan. 5. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia.
Thank you, Raynor. At this point, the preparatory students will showcase their talents. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the program.
When there's someone else to say something that I need to hear, if I listen with distracted, it will not be very clear. I must listen very closely to the things I have to say. the five senses. Do you see this flower? Can you hear that song? Can you smell that delicious cake? Do you know how this oven tastes? Do you know how this pillow feels? All this is thanks to our senses. These are the five senses. Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of touch. Senses allow us to learn about the world around us. Eyes are the sense organ of sight. They help us see shapes and color the objects around us. Our ears are a sense organ of hearing. They help us hear different sounds around us. I smell something yummy. Is it coming from the kitchen? The nose is an organ of smell that help us to smell. The skin is our sense organ of touch. It allows us to know what the temperature is. The shape of the object and then judge. The tongue is the sense organ of the taste. It helps us to taste the food that we eat. Did you know that snakes hear from jawbone? And the dolphins sleep with one eye open. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. We will collect other information to share with you again. See you next time.
Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again and again and again and again. I will jump and hide from you. I will chase you round and round.
Skipping time, play peekaboo. Ready or not, you're found.
Here I come! I will chase you here and there. I will chase you everywhere.
Inside, outside, up and down. Catch me if you can.
Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again and again and again and again. Simon says move on the spot. Don't let Simon see you stop.
Simon says move faster now. If he sees you stop, you're out.
Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again and again and again and again.
Catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me, catch me
was a wonderful performance, children. To end our program today, let us welcome Irvin as he gives us his closing message.
Thank you for watching our program. I hope you enjoy and learn something from us. We would like to thank our teacher, our parents, and to help us to make this program a successful one. See you again in our next event. Bye!